Vishnu Sahasranama 101 to 200 with meaning in English. Om Vrishakapaye Namaha. Salutations to the one who showers all objects of desire, also means his incarnation as Lord Varaha. Om Ameyatmane Namaha. Salutations to the one whose form or nature cannot be measured or determined. Om Sarvayogavini Srutaya Namaha. Salutations to the one who stands aside completely from all bondage. Om Vasave Namaha. Salutations to the one in whom all beings dwell and one who dwells in all beings. Om Vasumanase Namaha. Salutations to the one possessed of a great mind. Om Satyaya Namaha. Salutations to the one whose nature is truth. Om Samatmane Namaha. Salutations to the one who is same towards all beings. Om Asamitaya Namaha. Salutations to the one who is unlimited by any entity. Om Samaya Namaha. Salutations to the one who is unperturbed at all times. Om Amoghaya Namaha. Salutations to the one whose worship never goes in vain but will bear ample fruits. Om Pundarikakshaya Namaha. Salutations to the one whose eyes resemble the petals of the lotus and who is realized in the lotus of the heart. Om Vrishakarmane Namaha. Salutations to the one whose actions are according to dharma. Om Vrishakapaye Namaha. Salutations to the one who takes form for the sake of dharma. Om Rudraya Namaha. Salutations to the one who drives always sorrows. Om Bahushirase Namaha. Salutations to the one with innumerable heads. Om Babhrave Namaha. Salutations to the one who governs the world. Om Vishwayonaye Namaha. Salutations to the one who is the cause of the world. Om Shuchi Shravase Namaha. Salutations to the one whose names and glories are very holy and purifying to be heard. Om Amritaya Namaha. Salutations to the one who is deathless. Om Shashvatasthanave Namaha. Salutations to the one who is eternal and unchanging. Om Vararohaya Namaha. Salutations to the Lord who is the supreme object of attainment. Om Mahatapase Namaha. Salutations to the one whose tapas of the nature of omnipotence is great and sublime. Om Sarvagaya Namaha. Salutations to the one who pervades everything. Om Sarvavidbhanave Namaha. Salutations to the one who is omniscient and illumines everything. Om Vishwaksenaya Namaha. Salutations to the one before whom all Asura armies get scattered. Om Janardhanaya Namaha. Salutations to the one whom all devotees pray for worldly success and liberation. Om Vedaya Namaha. Salutations to the one who is of the form of the Veda. Om Vedavidaya Namaha. Salutations to the one who knows the Veda and its meaning. Om Avyangaya Namaha. Salutations to the one who is self-fulfilled by knowledge and free from every defect. Om Vedangaya Namaha. Salutations to the one to whom Vedas stand as organs. Om Vedavidaya Namaha. Salutations to the one who knows all the Vedas. Om Kavaye Namaha. Salutations to the one who sees everything. Om Lokadhyakshaya Namaha. Salutations to the Lord of the whole universe. Om Suradhyakshaya Namaha. Salutations to the one who is the Lord of the Devas. Om Dharma Adhyakshaya Namaha. Salutations to the one who directly sees the merits and demerits of beings by bestowing their due rewards. Om Kritakritaya Namaha. Salutations to the one who is an effect in the form of the worlds and also a non-effect as their cause. Om Chaturatmaya Namaha. Salutations to the one who has control over four states: wakeful, dream, deep sleep and turiya. Om Chaturvyuhaya Namaha. Salutations to the one who manifests himself as four forms: Vasudeva, Aniruddha, Sankarshana, Pradyumna. Om Chaturdrishtaya Namaha. Salutations to the one with four beautiful canine teeth as Lord Narsimha. Om Chaturbhujaya Namaha. Salutations to the one with four arms. Om Bhrajishnave Namaha. Salutations to the one who is effulgent. Om Bhojanaya Namaha. Salutations to the one who is the object of enjoyment for his worshippers. Om Bhoktre Namaha. Salutations to the Lord who is the greatest enjoyer. Om Saishnave Namaha. Salutations to the Lord who is the greatest forgiver. Om Jagadadijaya Namah. Salutations to the Lord who was born at the beginning of the universe as Hiranyagarbha. Om Anagaya Namah. Salutations to the Lord who is sinless or uncontaminated. Om Vijayaya Namah. Salutations to the Lord who is ever victorious. Om Jaitre Namah. Salutations to the Lord who is the supreme conqueror. Om Vishwayonaye Namah. Salutations to the Lord who is the Om of the universe. Om Punarvasave Namah. Salutations to the Lord who lives in all the Vasus demigods as their Antaryamin. Om Upendraya Namah. Salutations to the one who appeared as the younger brother of Indra as Lord Vamana. Om Vamanaya Namah. Salutations to the Lord who took the form of Vamana. Om Pranchave Namaha. Salutations to the Lord who grew tall quickly in his incarnation as Lord Vamana. Om Amoghaya Namaha. Salutations to the Lord whose acts are always with a purpose. Om Shuchaye Namaha. Salutations to the Lord who is the supreme purifier. Om Urjitaya Namaha. Salutations to the Lord who possesses immense strength. Om Atindraya Namaha. Salutations to the Lord who is superior to Indra. Om Sangrahaya Namaha. Salutations to the Lord who holds the whole universe together. Om Sargaya Namaha. Salutations to the Lord who is the creator. Om Gratatmane Namaha. Salutations to the Lord who supports all the Jivatmas. Om Niyamaya Namaha. Salutations to the Lord who controls all the beings. Om Yamaya Namaha. Salutations to the Lord who is the supreme ruler. Om Vedyaya Namaha. Salutations to the Lord who is the one to be known by knowing whom everything else becomes known. Om Vaidyaya Namaha. Salutations to the Lord who is the supreme doctor. Om Sadayogine Namaha. Salutations to the Lord who is always in communion yoga with himself. Om Viragre Namaha. Salutations to the Lord who slays wicked people even if they are strong like Hiranyakashipu, Ravana, etc. Om Madhavaya Namaha. Salutations to the Lord who is the consort of Mother Lakshmi. Om Madhave Namaha. Salutations to the Lord who is sweet like honey to his devotees. Om Atindriyaya Namaha. Salutations to the Lord who is beyond the grasp of sense organs. Om Mahamayaya Namaha. Salutations to the Lord who possesses the wonderful power of Maya or enchantment. Om Mahotsahaya Namaha. Salutations to the Lord who possesses and gives great enthusiasm. Om Mahabalaya Namaha. Salutations to the Lord who has immense strength. Om Mahabuddhaye Namaha. Salutations to the Lord who has infinite intelligence. Om Mahaviryaya Namaha. Salutations to the Lord with supreme creative energy. Om Mahashaktaye Namaha. Salutations to the Lord who has immense power. Om Mahajutaye Namaha. Salutations to the Lord who possesses great splendor. Om Anirdesha Vapushe Namaha. Salutations to the Lord who possesses an indescribable body. Om Srimate Namaha. Salutations to the Lord whose consort is Mother Sri Lakshmi. Om Ameyatmane Namaha. Salutations to the Lord whose nature is incomprehensible. Om Mahadigrute Namaha. Salutations to the Lord who bears the great mountain as Lord Kurma, who bore Mount Mandara, or as Lord Krishna who bore Mount Govardhan. Om Maheshvasaya Namaha. Salutations to the Lord who discharges great arrows as Lord Rama. Om Mahibhartre Namaha. Salutations to the Lord who is the bearer of the earth. Om Srinivasaya Namaha. Salutations to the Lord in whom resides Mother Sri. Om Satangataye Namaha. Salutations to the Lord who is the ultimate goal of all spiritual seekers. Om Aniruddhaya Namaha. Salutations to the Lord who cannot be obstructed by anyone. Om Suranandaya Namaha. Salutations to the Lord who gives delight to the gods. Om Govindaya Namaha. Salutations to the Lord who is praised by the Vedas, the protector of the cows. Many more meanings. Om Govindapataye Namaha. Salutations to the Lord who protects those who know the Vedas. Om Marichaye Namaha. Salutations to the Lord who is the ray or light hope to the struggling souls. Also Marichi among the Maruts. Om Damanaya Namaha. Salutations to the Lord who controls everything in this universe. Om Hamsaya Namaha. Salutations to the Lord who like the Hamsa is the repository of all goodness, also Hamsa incarnation of the Lord. Om Suparnaya Namah, salutations to the Lord who possesses charming feathers as Hamsavatara. Om Bhujagottamaya Namah, salutations to the one who is the greatest among serpents. Om Hiranyanabhaya Namah, salutations to the one whose navel is auspicious like gold. Om Sutappase Namaha, salutations to the Lord who performs rigorous austerities at Badarikasrama as Narayana. Om Padmanabhaya Namah, salutations to the Lord whose navel is beautifully shaped like a lotus. Om Prajapataye Namah, salutations to the Lord who is the father of all beings. Om Amrityave Namaha, Om salutations to the one who is without death or its cause. Om Sarvadrishe Namaha, salutations to the one who is the seer and knower of everything. Om Simhaya Namaha, salutations to the Lord in the form of the lion, Lord Narasimha.